Are you tired of working your butt off all the time and not seeing where it's going? Are you starting to wonder what's the point and feel that you're being undervalued? Well, listen in because I got something that can help you. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Keisha Martin, and I'm an energy alignment specialist and an expert at helping heal relationships. On this channel, I'll be sharing tips and advice on how to improve your relationships, communication, and overall well being through the power of energy healing as well as spiritual practices. Today, we'll be discussing a very common issue, and this is burnout. In this video, we will cover on how working too hard affects your ability to be clear and in tune to make the best decisions. But before we move ahead, I need a favor. If you enjoy this type of content, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to be the first to know when I post new videos. So, today we're going to talk about something that affects many of us, and this is burnout. Burnout is a state of physical, emotional, and mental exhaustion, and it's caused by prolonged stress. With everything going on today, I feel so many professionals are dealing with this, causing damaging effects on their mental and emotional well being, as well as strains on their relationships. The damaging part of this is that the person is so burned out, they're not in tune with how they're feeling, much less connect with another person. This can cause loneliness, anger, frustration, and have a person start to isolate themselves for recovery. What I've seen also is that you end up becoming that person in the hamster wheel because you're just working to get things done and moving, almost like a zombie. Now, it is time to reclaim your power and get out of this burnout phase so you can make the best decision in your life today to bring more joy, more happiness, more love, and laughter back in. So, what can you do if you're feeling burned out? Here are some tips. First, learn to take a break. Sometimes the best thing you can do is take a step back and give yourself time to recharge. Take a day off of work, even if it's an hour or two in between as you transition through your day. Do something that you enjoy. Take a walk out in nature. Spend time with friends. Number two, prioritize self-care. Prioritize your self-care. Make sure you're taking care of your physical and mental health. Get enough sleep, eat well, exercise regularly, and take time to do the things that you enjoy. Do this by allowing yourself to do number three, which is setting boundaries. It's important to know when to say no. Set boundaries with work, school, or what other obligations you have. When you say no and learn that you don't need to take on more than you can handle, you start to honor yourself. Number four, practice mindfulness, allowing your mind to get still. Mindfulness is just a practice of being present and in the moment and not getting caught up in your thoughts and the worries about the past or the future. Mindfulness is also about not feeding into all the news that's around you. Try meditation, yoga. These are all practices to help you reduce the stress and improve your overall well-being. The fifth thing is seeking support. Don't ever be afraid to reach out for help if you need to. Talk it out with a friend, a family member. Seek counseling or therapy. Learn to or join some support groups. When the power of like minds, you'll be wonderful to see how these stories help you. By connecting at the heart, connecting on a like mind situation to be able to grow out of that. Now remember, burnout is a real thing and it's important to take it seriously. By taking care of yourself and seeking support when needed, you can overcome burnout and get back to feeling like yourself again. Oftentimes, it's easy to know this already and put it off for another day, saying, well, after I get off work or this weekend, I'll try to take some time out for myself. However, learn to start now by taking the mini breaks, unplugging from the media, the information, and allowing your brain to rest. Even an hour a day will do wonders. It's important that you embrace hearing your own voice and just being still and doing all these little steps well, how they will help you improve your mental state and just reduce the burnout and have you get clear on what's important in your life again. So make sure you take some time out for yourself. today. Now, thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this.
Audio